The response to the urgent appeal has been absolutely amazing. Thank you to each and every one of you who has supported us. Unfortunately, however, this is not over. Ever since we heard the words COVID-19, local people have never stopped being able to access our services, both in the hospice and in our community. Yes, it may be slightly different. For example, our group rehabilitation and wellbeing work has had to be virtual online. On the inpatient unit, while visiting has been restricted, we've ensured that patients have still been able to see those closest to them. And we were one of the first healthcare settings to introduce mandatory lateral flow testing for all our visitors. Nevertheless, the impact on many of the people we cared for has been absolutely immense. When we started to welcome patients back to the Hawthorne Centre, the majority had experienced significant deterioration in their health due to months of being isolated and stuck at home. I'm delighted to report that after a few months following focused, bespoke support from our teams, many are back to their pre-COVID health. We have had a surge in referrals for young people needing mental health support, and we know that delays in diagnosing serious illness will continue to lead to an increase in demand for our care. In truth, some patients we have seen in recent months feel the delay in their treatment during the pandemic has resulted in them needing our care much sooner than they may have done. With thanks to vaccination and everyone's commitment to lockdown, a more normal life is slowly resuming. Our shops have been reopened after months of closure, and we've relaunched our fundraising events. But the future is uncertain. Times are hard for many, and we don't know how COVID will continue to impact on our income. We know that hospitals will be getting no additional support from government, so we have no safety net. So I'm asking that you do not forget us. I would not be sitting here saying we had been able to open this year without the generosity we've seen from you all. As a charity, we need to raise in excess of £5 million every year to fund our services. So your ongoing support is always needed, and we are grateful for those of you who've been loyal to us, your hospice, for many years. In this current environment, your commitment to us and our patients is needed more than ever. There are lots of ways you can continue to support us. You can pledge a monthly donation, which would help us plan more sustainably. Donate or browse our shops, or sign up to one of our fantastic events with your family, friends or colleagues. Please visit our website for more ways to get involved. Thank you again for your wonderful support.